Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today at Solvetic, we will see how we can show seconds on the Windows 11 clock. To get started, click on the Start menu, click on Settings, and then go to the Personalization section. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. There you will click on Taskbar, then you will click on Taskbar Behaviors. In these options, you will activate the box Show Seconds in System Tray Clock. Use more power. Now in the clock on the taskbar, you will have the seconds added. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.